Hello, welcome to copthedata.com. I'm going to be showing you how to get the most out of our police suspension dashboard. Once on the Cop the Data page, click on View the Dashboard. On this page, you will find the dashboard as well as tabs with additional information that may be helpful in understanding the process and officer suspension data. If you click on Resources, you will find this video along with recent news articles related to officer misconduct. All of the police suspension documents that we have obtained are now in one dashboard for easier use. The best way to view the dashboard is to make the dashboard full screen by clicking the Open in Full Screen Mode button on the bottom right corner. This dashboard is comprised of 4 different pages. You can toggle between pages by clicking on the drop-down menu or the arrows at the bottom of the screen. The first page serves as a high-level overview. The second page allows you to search by incident type. The third page allows you to search by officer name. And the fourth page allows you to search by disciplinary outcome. On the first page of the dashboard, you can filter by agency, officer name, officer type, and/or indefinite suspension or suspension. When you choose any of these filters, it not only filters the graphs and information on the first page, but it will also filter the remaining 3 pages. To clear all the filters, click the yellow button on the bottom right corner. You will also find yellow clear filter buttons on the remaining pages. On the second page, you can filter the table by incident type by clicking on the orange slicer. You can find more incident types by clicking on the gray arrow on the left and right-hand side of the slicer. To select multiple incident types, hold the Control key on your keyboard and click. What may be of interest is the incident summaries in the table, along with other in-depth information. You may also notice that if you click on the slicer or a row on the table, the information on the card located on the top left will change. On the table, you can also sort each column by ascending or descending order. This may come in handy if you are looking for a specific date or officer. This also works for the tables located on pages 3 and 4. You may also notice that selecting an incident type not only filters the table, but it also filters the information on the 3rd and 4th pages. On page 3, you can filter the table by officer name and officer type. On the officer name slicer, we recommend using the search bar. If you would like to select multiple officers, you can search, hold Control, and search and select other officers. It's important to know that police departments do not have detention officers, and that the officer type slicer is only useful for sheriff's office data. You may also notice that when you select an officer name, the disciplinary actions and incident numbers might differ. This is because one disciplinary action may consist of more than one incident. For example, if you click on Joel Alicia and click back over to page 2, you can see that this one disciplinary action consisted of improper jail release and responsibility to know laws or procedures incidents. On the 4th page, you can filter the table by disciplinary outcome and document type. If you would like to select multiple, hold Control on your keyboard and select. For example, if you want to see information on arbitrations, you can click on Arbitration and then click on Reduced, Not Reduced, or To Be Determined to see how many are in each category. If you have any feedback or want more information about the dashboard, please let us know by clicking the yellow feedback button and sending us a message. Thank you for watching, and we hope you find this dashboard useful.